G'day team, today we're going to do a walk around of our Artemis Canopy on the next generation Triton. So we'll go and check out what we've got in store for you. So Artemis Canopy is a Wellside Canopy. It'll fit most models or most new utes on the market. So your Ford Rangers, your Mitsubishi Tritons, Toyota Hiluxes, D-Maxes, Jeep Gladiators as well. So nice and easy to open, heaps of access inside. You can fit a lot of gear inside these things. We're running central locking and lighting on this model as well, which is a very popular option. So LED lights on all three gull wing doors. What we've also got that's a bit of a hidden feature on our central locking is we've got a pin switch that tells the driver that the doors are shut, and it also turns the lights off. So if we close this now and then we open it, you'll notice the lights off. So it means you're not going to drain your battery. The other really good thing about our central locking system is the door ajar alarm. So if we jump in here and we turn the vehicle on, the ignition, you can hear a buzzer going off in the cab. That comes standard in our central locking loops. That means you're never going to drive off with your door open and rip it off, cause damage to the canopy or cause damage to something else or someone.